The one thing we have in this world is we can't control the events, but we can choose what to focus on, we can choose what things mean, and we can choose what to do. Those three choices, those three decisions really control our life.
I know everybody I go like we, still we irie. Cause me no love likes, in a dancehall style. I know everybody I go like, still me irie. Cause we no love likes, no. So every time I rise, we do it for the love, we not do it for the likes.
Guys, oh my gosh, come look, welcome to the vlog. What charge the camera battery did want to charge and I never charge. Well, I'm up on the road, it's Saturday and I'm going to buy Island Girl. I'm gonna buy a Go Light. I was supposed to meal prep today. In my previous vlog I told you guys that I was going to do some cooking, but I haven't got, you know, so the internet and cable come back, flow down with the internet and cable from last night. It's carpet, this I can't walk on them. From last night, people. But yeah, I really hope and pray that the internet and cable come back now, because like, oh my gosh, the vlog, like I'm done edit the vlog early and everything. It was supposed to be up early on Saturday, which is today. Like shush, let me don't talk, and like the internet will come back, and so I couldn't put up the vlog on time. So now I'm praying that it come back so you guys can at least get it for tomorrow, which is Sunday. But yeah, so that's a one. So we're up this Boulevard Shopping Center, and I am going to the Island Girl. Yeah, mommy cooked, but I'm not. You're not going. We'll just cross, but I'm not gonna necessarily have that for my dinner. I have some Go Light. Haven't been eating any carbs after certain hours. Guys, wagwan, good night. It's Sunday. Can't really see me too good. A little bit of light shining on me though. So Shami and I should come in. She's coming in the car now. We're going to Miss Teen Jamaica. I've never been to this pageant. You know, our aunt, mommy's sis Lisa, I wanna see her last week in our what day in the vlog when Shami was graduating. Shami there over there, so yeah, so she just had some tickets, so you know, so we just go. Just you know, so we can get out of the house a little bit. I'm not sure we're gonna do that for too long still, but yo, we're going to see how it go and then come back home. So there, that's basically it. Yes, sir. We're rich and we're walking in the park. I'm walking in. So people are walking there. Sorry. We did want to come out of the house, you know, and we don't go much, like, you know them weird, like sometimes you say, oh, you want to go out a long time, you go out, and then when time come now for you go out. You know where I guess oh, they're talking about the gifts that they're going to get.
Courtesy of Fit Shop in preparation for the international competition. A portfolio of Miss Teen Jamaica's journey, courtesy of Brian's Photo Studios, valued at $100,000. Courtesy of the Miss Teen Jamaica organizers, a diamond necklace. Do you think I'm through? A wardrobe courtesy of Drena Luna, valued at $150,000. A watch courtesy of Ducal Jewelry, a full feature in Teen Vibe Magazine Summer 2018 edition. The Miss Teen Jamaica First Place Trophy, sponsored by a trip to compete in Miss Teen Globe International in Puerto Vallarta, Mexico, and a $500,000 scholarship to pursue any undergraduate level program, courtesy of the University of the Commonwealth Caribbean. Getting her heart broken. She has 5 days. Let's hear it from Fuchsia Maya. Fuchsia Palace. be doing that this evening. She hails from the parish of Manchester. Miss Woodson her acts in the country through social and economic growth. Her ambition is to become a 10 years old from the parish of St. Catherine. Miss Triple Century, Justine Morrison. She is 16 years old of Providence High. She enjoys reading and writing stories. Of the lives of young women who believe that confidence is beauty and that they can achieve and will achieve anything they put their minds to. Her greatest ambition is to become a politician. I know a lot of us share this outside confidence at all. Who does, right?
We left. We end up never stayed to the end. They were kind of dragging it out a little bit, but it was cool though. I'm not gonna lie, what the girls are getting is really good, and I think it's great experience for them. So yeah, but right now we'll make a quick stop, and then we're just going to head home. Plus me hungry, people more hungry. So I'm gonna eat little affair dinner. I'm gonna taste a little bit too, but I don't know what I'm gonna really eat. As I said, I was supposed to meal prep my stuff, but you know, so yesterday the camera cut off on me because the battery did. I'm not even remember what me they're telling about. I was trying to put it up. I'm having back this wig. If you guys are interested, I'll put a link to a video I did on it the other day of how I achieved the color, because I colored it myself. It came with a bronze tone, but I wasn't fond of it. It was just boring to me. Wasn't what I wanted at the time, so I lightened it out a lot more than what it was. And I did a little smoky look tonight, and I'm wearing these contacts from Bolongies.com. Guys, if you're interested in contacts, like they have some really nice, it's Bolongies alone I always get my contacts in from. So yeah. My code is Petite Sue if you're interested in that, and I think the code is always in the description box. So yeah, we're just checking with, oh no, it was a short little, I didn't vlog for very long tonight, because yeah. So I'm gonna pretty much go home now and edit my video for tomorrow. Yeah, and I need to film tomorrow too, so tomorrow's gonna be busy for me because I'm going to have to go to the gym, and I'm going to have editing to do. So yeah. So guys, next morning, well not morning now, it's afternoon, but I'm not too long wake up, so I'm my morning, and I'm having my breakfast. Okay, I'm having white bread. I shouldn't be having white bread, but nothing really wrong because I need carbs today. Today's legs day. I had wheat bread, but it went bad. So upsetting. So I have some turkey breast and egg whites, no oil, nothing added but some garlic powder and apple. So I have the apple first, and this is my first meal of the day. And then I'm gonna prep today. I'm gonna bake some chicken, bake some fish, bake some sweet potatoes, and steam some callaloo. Yeah, so I'm gonna grub on this and then come back. I'm gonna prep. So me that make them here kinda defrost. I'm not gonna use all of them right now. This is my fish. And I have some of my seasonings here and stuff. Get my cutting board. Now I pretty much just want to use these seasonings. I decided I don't actually want to use all of the thighs. I want to use like what, a prepping for the entire week. so I'm prepping straight back to Sunday or Saturday. So I have chicken breasts that are already like chopped up, so I can't do the chicken breast straight just because it's too dry and I'm just tired of it. I washed the chicken. I used some actually used some lemon juice and vinegar to wash it. Now I'm going to mix up all the seasonings that I'm gonna use. Alright, so I have some of my granulated California garlic. I'm most cooking with petite segment with this. Some salt-free Mrs. Dash. This is garlic and herb, so it's a little bit more garlic. It's a mixture of herbs though. So I'm just gonna mix up everything and I just can kind of like dip the chicken in there afterwards. Grill Mates Montreal chicken. This seems like it's a whole lot of mixtures going on. Throw that in. I have some red pepper here. Some of this red pepper, Badia. Red pepper. I need to make sure my chicken's spicy, so that's very important. And I'm going to add flavor to this one since it's not like I'm super close to like my goal time. Be prepping for a while, so this is the initial stage, so I'm still going to incorporate sodium. So I'm going to use some of my Maggi. Amazing, this alone is good for flavor. I'm not gonna really add any coloring like that. I'm gonna use the entire pack of this.
Can't cook. Ticket you pay your pretty look. You want to live a restaurant and come done man bank book.
Seasoned and ready. So these, I'm gonna leave these to sit. I'm gonna do my whitefish, so I'm not going to prep all of these. I'm probably just going to take like this much. Probably going to take like this much, so like half of what is in there, and leave the next half.
Cook, recipe book. One in the kitchen, cause your hand them no look, you better cook. Ticket you pay your pretty looks. You want to live a restaurant and come done man bank book. Cook, recipe book. One in the kitchen, cause your hand them no look. Sunday morning you lay down in a bed for your boil 2 bananas, steam 2 fish head.
I'm all done with seasoning this as well, so I'm gonna leave this to sit for the same time as the chicken until I'm back from the gym, because as I say, I'm going to the gym and I'm gonna come back and stuff, and when I come back then I'll prep the sweet potato as well. I don't have the callaloo yet, so I'm going to buy that on my way back. I'm back. I went to the gym and all of that, but guess what, I'm gonna bring my camera and I forget battery because it was charging, and I lost one of them. I can't find next one and it's just so depressing. But yeah, I reach back and it's like 3 to 4 hours later, guys. I said like it would be like 1 or 2 hours, but it's like 3 to 4 hours because I got caught up in traffic and all of that. So this is the chicken. I'm gonna get my grease paper. Why now focus? Like the camera gone so bad. I need a new camera. And I'm gonna go ahead and just pop this in the oven, which I preheat, and I'm gonna let it stay in there for 45 minutes and then I'll take it out. So you know what, guys, I decided to go ahead and do the fish now as well. There we have it. Now leave this for 45 minutes. Guys, it's looking so good. This is a chicken, and then we have the fish. Everything is looking so good. So I put the potatoes in just now, and they're gonna stay there for like 20 to 30 minutes. And then after I do that, after I'm finished with that, then I'm going to steam some spinach, and I'm gonna also pair some of the meals with avocado, otherwise known as pear here in Jamaica. So yeah, so guys, I'm still, you know, sharing out the rest of the dishes, but yeah, this is basically what it's like. The potatoes aren't done, but yeah, I'm pretty much finished. Still, them just like done. I'm gonna share the rest. Okay guys, so it's morning time and I'm having this for breakfast. Oh, I have to move the thing from the lens, but yeah, I'm having 1 can of tuna dried. I drained it to the driest point it could go, and I lightly seasoned it with vinegar, peppers and garlic powder. Didn't add any salt. And I have avocado or pear, whatever you want to call it. Yeah, so that's all I'm having. Yeah, after this I'm gonna get ready for the gym, so see you guys in a few. Reach at the gym. Today is upper body. Yeah, okay, shadow pull up.
I'm on a high end, drip. I'm about to fly in, hop in a Cayenne, I was just gliding, I just be styling. I'm on a high end, I'm on the fly end, we about to fly in, jump in the Cayenne, jump in the Cayenne, ran out of my lane, gotta go find it, snatch the daddy, in a big body, drips at Wu-Tang, we like Charlene.
Motorsport, put that thing in sports. Shout it bad, pop it like a court. You a dork, never been a sport. Pull up, jumping out the court. Cotton candy, my cup tastes like the fair. Straight up there, we didn't take the stairs. Face my fears, gave my mama tears. Mama, shifting gears.
After the gym, I'm up by Lucia's son. Plaza. I'm going to make a couple stops though before I go home. Maybe I want to just finish the vlog so last day. Like rain might fall still. Time look kind of gloomy and so. But I'm gonna make like 2 stops and then go home, and that will pretty much be it. So this is where I end the vlog. This is where my, you know what I think, guys? I think I gotta vlog myself. What do you feel about that? Like, I'm gonna challenge myself. Like, I want to go out more and stuff, so I'm going to use this Christmas for the opportunity to just go out more. Like, I'm feeling like I might try to do something every day, even if it's not necessarily go, but like just do something and, you know, make the vlogs a little bit more. I honestly don't know where to go, because it's the first time I'm going to be doing like that's putting up a vlog like every single day until Christmas. Like, that's crazy. But I'm going to try. Let me know what you guys think about that. I'm not gonna say yeah, of course. But I also want to know if you guys want that much vlogs, like each and every day a vlog. I don't know. Let me know still, so I can really get myself prepared mentally to vlog every day. But yeah, that's just what I'm thinking at the moment. So anyways, I'll see you guys in my next vlog, so bye.
If you love the red so much, make you no buy tomato. If your dream fi run the place, me tell you try no wake up. Kremlin no get them out, Russian in a town. Body of the crown, that's how dynasties evolve. Represent where you're from. Waterford dinner, put more at our jugs. Waterford dinner, Kremlin no get them out, Russian in a town. Body of the crown.